In this video I'm going to show you how to use truecrypt with Thunderbird to create an encrypted container for your emails. First off, we'll need truecrypt. You can find it at truecrypt.org. Go to downloads and then download the Windows 7 Vista XP version. We'll also need the portable version of Thunderbird. You can find it at portableapps.com. Go to Mozilla Thunderbird Portable Edition and download. The current version is version 5. Okay, I've downloaded these already. First, we're going to install truecrypt. This will let us create our encrypted container. We're going to go ahead and install truecrypt on our system. We could choose to extract it if we wanted to run in so-called portable mode, but we don't need to for this video, so just install it. If you've never used truecrypt before, go ahead and read the tutorial I have, so I'm not going to. Okay, we now have a truecrypt icon on our desktop. We're going to go ahead and run it. Okay, what we want to do is create an encrypted container where all of our emails will be stored. So we click create a volume. We want to create an encrypted file container, standard truecrypt volume. Okay, we'll choose the location. I'm not really concerned about where it is. You can put it anywhere on your hard drive. And I'm just going to name it mail volume and save it on my desktop. You may want to save it somewhere where you don't think someone could find it, but it's not really a concern if it's encrypted properly. This may be a concern if you don't want someone to know that you have an encrypted volume on your computer. In that case, you should probably create a hidden volume. So I'm going to save that to my desktop. The default encryption algorithms are fine. Now the volume size. This really depends on how much mail you have, but something like 2 to 3 gigabytes is probably going to be more than enough unless you just have a ton of archived mail. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make it smaller, just 1 gigabyte, so it doesn't take as long. I'm also going to make a fairly short password. Your password should be longer than this, and if truecrypt thinks your password isn't strong enough, it'll give you this warning. I'm going to override this warning for the sake of this video. The difference between FAT and NTFS doesn't really matter. I found that NTFS performs slightly better. So we're creating our encrypted volume. You see it's created on our desktop right here. Okay, and it's been successfully created. We can now exit that wizard and now mount our volume. We can choose the drive letter we want to mount as. We'll select our file, go to our desktop, and choose mail volume. Then we can choose mount, enter our password, and enter. Now the volume has been mounted. We can go to my computer and see that this Z drive is our encrypted volume. A couple other steps we want to do: go to favorites, we'll add this mounted volume to our favorite, auto mounted upon login. That's going to prompt us for this encrypted volumes password every time we log into our computer. And we'll go ahead and open up an Explore window whenever this volume is mounted. That'll be convenient for opening our Thunderbird from within the volume. Okay. Now we can log off. And we'll log back in just to check and see. It prompts us for our password. That's good. We enter our password and we're presented with the Z volume. Okay. So Z volume is mounted. Now let's install Thunderbird Portable Edition. Double click on the install file that you downloaded. Click Next. Here's where we'll change the default installation. We're going to choose to install it to our Z drive. This is the root of the Z drive. You can put it in any folder you'd like on the Z drive, but the root works for us. Click Install. And now Thunderbird Portable has been installed to the root of Z. We're now in the Thunderbird Portable folder. If we click on Thunderbird Portable, we're able to enter our email address and password for whatever account we'd like. And that's all you have to do. If you've ever used Thunderbird before, you know how to set it up. All of your mail will be put in one of the following folders, and nothing will go outside of the TrueCrypt volume. And all of your mail will be encrypted, and no one else will be able to read it without your TrueCrypt password.